Hi YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be seeing the calculator, how to implement the calculator in Java. So before we go to the tutorial, I would request if you like my videos, please share it with your friends and even subscribe my channel. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So to implement the calculator functionality, I will have the class called calculator, starting with main method. So to have the calculator, we will be having these functionalities, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, maybe reminder, and also power. Okay, so in that case, if it was normal addition of the integers, we could have just introduced as int, the variable type, the data type could be int, but we will have double, so your numbers will be a and b. Okay, now in earlier program, while swapping the numbers, we just had the values over here, right? We just assigned the values, but in this calculator, what I want to make is I want to make it in an infinite loop until user don't stop himself from calculating things, right? Performing the calculation operation. So what I will do is I will take the scanner. So scanner is nothing but you have it in util package. What it does is it scans your input from the console. Basically you will enter the values and that will be picked up by the scanner. Okay, so let's just have this scanner. Yeah, so let's just have the scanner, and as said that the input for these numbers will be taken from console, so that means it is our system dot in. Yeah, and while performing the calculation on this a and b, right, any calculation operation, you would have a result object where you will be storing your result. So let's just give it as result. Yeah, and let's perform the calculator. System dot out dot in println. This is the calculator. Now, as I said, we will be having this calculator operation in the loop, right? Until user don't want to quit that particular operation, right? So we will be performing operation in such a way that until the user does not enter. Yeah, so yeah, so we will be having this infinite loop until user does not quit, right? So our result will be not equal to q. Okay, and now while having this functionality, we will be showing the messages as well, like what user needs to enter for what. Okay, so let's have something to divide the messages on the console so that it's easy to recognize. Yeah, and system dot out dot println. So we will have something like this. Okay, so we will have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, reminder, and power. Okay, so one for addition, minus for subtraction, this for multiplication, then this for division, then we will have the remainder as well. So for remainder it will be this, or this is for division, this is for remainder, and this is for forward, and Q for quit. Okay, now as we haven't just assigned the values to the variable, and we are going to take it from the user. So we have introduced a scanner already, so we will ask the user for the input. So let's ask the user system dot out dot println, please enter number 1. We will have the input as basically A will be, please enter number 1. So A will be scanner dot next double, then please enter second number, so we will just change the message, please enter first number, please enter second number. So your second number will be scanner dot next double, right? And then you have to ask for the operation which you want to perform, right? So it will be system dot out dot println, please enter operation to perform, and this will be scanned. So let's pick the operation. Okay, so the operation is char operation is equal to, so again it will be through input from the user, so it will be next dot character 0. Okay, and now we will perform the operation. Whatever operation user enters over here, so we will use that particular operation and get the result. So for that I will be using switch case, yeah, and I will be using switch on the operation. Okay, so here case plus will be, okay, so in the plus, when you switch to the, when you select the operation as addition, so what you will be performing is result equal to A plus B, and you will just get out of this particular switch case, yeah. Second is subtraction, so here result will be A minus B, then you will get out of the switch case. The third case is multiplication. In case of multiplication, your result will be A into B, and then you would get out of the switch case. Let's just copy for other cases, which will be case multiplication, case division. So in case of division, it will be A divided by B. Then it is remainder. So for remainder, it is this, and it will be A mod B. Then next case is your power. So it's math dot power perform A comma B. Yeah. And in case of quit, I mean when user selects quit, it will be so in case of quit, it will be system dot exit 0. That means you have just quit the calculation operation, and you need to have default keys where you just print anything you, I mean operator from the mentioned operator you don't select, you will just print please select operator from the options specified above. Yeah. Yeah, so once this is done, I mean whenever user enters the queue, right, I mean when user wants to stop it, so we will just write scanner dot close. Yeah, and that is done. But we missed this over here. We need to show, I mean what is the result basically, right? So when before, I mean when you close the switch, before you get to the switch basically, I mean wherever you close the switch, after that you need to just print out your result. Println your num1, so that is this. Let's have space your operation, equal to result. Yeah, so let's just, I mean see, I mean what is the output or how does this calculator works. And as we have given the for loop, so we can have the number of times performing the operation, the different operations, and when you just want to quit, you can press the Q. So let's have the number as 30, first number as 30, second number as 20. I want to perform the addition, so I put the plus sign, because if you see, plus is for the addition. So if you see 30 plus 20 is 50. It went again in the for loop because I haven't pressed Q. So I will have the first number as 30, second number as 10. I want to perform the operation, I mean I don't want to perform the operation, so quit. So let's see division. If you see 30 divided by 10 is 3. Then again it will ask for if you want to perform any operation, so give the numbers. I want first number let it be 2, second number be 3. I want to perform the power operation, so the 2 power 3 is 8. I want to perform multiplication operation, so let's give first number and let's give 2, and I want to perform multiplication. The result will be 10 into 2 is 20. Now I'm quite tired, so let's just quit. Yeah, so I want to quit, so I want to perform the quit operation. I performed Q, and yeah, just the process came out of the loop and you just got the exit. Yeah, so that is how the calculator works. So if you find any issues with this, I mean, please let me know in the comment section. And I mean, yeah, just keep following and subscribe my channel. Thank you.